Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, when it comes to resetting your iPhone, there's a couple of resets that you can do, and we're going to walk you through each of them. So first thing is go into your setting on your iPhone, and from there on, you want to go down to General and scroll down where it says Transfer Reset iPhone, and click on that option. Now, right up here, you're going to get two different reset options. First option, if you click on it, allows you to reset certain settings on your iPhone. Now, this is something you want to do if you're having any issues with the settings themselves. For example, the main setting here, reset all settings, will reset all of these settings that you see below. Basically, any settings like any network related settings, keyboard dictionary settings, home screen layout settings, and location privacy settings. Just the settings themselves. It will not delete any of your personal data. So all of your data like photos, videos, apps, everything will be on your phone. It's a quick way to fix any troubleshooting that you're having. Now, if you don't want to do reset all of your settings, you can pick other ones individually. Like if you're having any connectivity issues with things like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connected devices, you might want to do a network settings reset. Now, if you're having any issue with your keyboard or any of the maybe typing that you're doing, you're going to do a keyboard dictionary reset. If you're having any issues or you just want your home screen layout, you did probably customization and you just want it back to the way you originally had it, you will do a home screen layout reset. And if you have any issues with the location or privacy setting, for example, you can't send location or your phone isn't able to detect your location, this is where you would do a network or basically a location privacy and setting reset. So these are, again, the settings themselves that will get reset. Generally, these will take about 10 to 15 seconds to do. Again, safe, will not delete any of your personal data. Now, there is another reset you might be looking to do, which is if you're looking to delete and erase everything on your iPhone, that's where you're going to do erase all content and settings. When you do erase content all settings, it will erase this iPhone, remove everything. But before you do this, I highly recommend you back up your iPhone to iCloud or move everything over to a new device. Make sure everything's working there before doing this process, because once you go through this process of erasing, it cannot be undone, and this is a factory reset. So those are the reset options available on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and giveaways on our channel. We'll see you guys next time.